95.5 is going live to air inside Sugar Daddy's nightclub.
5165 Dixie Road in Mississauga.
Mississauga, get those hands in the air. It's Friday night. Wave them around like you don't care. I'm feeling fine. When we move our bodies through the night, you call my name right from the top. Get ready for Cascada.
Hey, you people up there in the balcony, you gotta be moving too. You can't just stand around. Come on. Drinks in your hand. Let's see this going, people. It's Friday night. You're live on C103. Cascada performing live tonight. Camera crews out there.
We got Elijah in the club.
Smile for the camera, everybody. You've got SugarDaddy'sParty.com. Come on, hands in the air, hands in the air. If you love your hands in the air. Hands up, hands up, hands up.
Hey, you know what? Anything can happen here on a Friday night. Girls on the pool get naked. Oh my God. many people get over to those bars to see those sexy bartenders. Get your groove on. Friday night. Make some noise for the radio. Oh, yeah. We got another birthday shout going out to Linda from Vivian. Happy birthday, Linda. Tonight. Let me hear you go, Mrs. Sun. Ulysses is in the club tonight. Back into the old school. Back into the old school. This picture, because you all put your hands up and none of you got any drinks in your hand. Get up and see those bartenders and let's go, Mississauga. English people in the house. Yes, yashimash. Dobrze, dobrze. Oh. Do we have any Greeks in the house tonight? Sikaris, malaka me hilo puso Clinton. Do we have any Albanians in the house tonight? Serbians in the house tonight. Kakasi, dobra. Star Irish? No Irish people. Fuck the Irish people. Do we have any Norwegians in the house tonight? Right? Norwegian. Do we have any Croatian people in the house tonight? Kakasi.
I know we got a lot of fans with the way back playbacks in here. I want to see you moving it on this one. Come on, people, let's go.